Hey, hello everybody. It's me, Pastor Dom. I'm at home at Kahala on Saturday. And yes, right, me. I'm here up close and personal on video. I'm using my iPhone and my daughter Bella is taking a video of me. So if it's crooked, blame her. This not my head. It's her videotaping, okay? But anyway, what I want to tell you is since I'm not there, I'm at Hope Chapel Olamana doing a weekend message for a good friend of mine, Guy Capelela. He's on vacation. In fact, he'll be at our church on March 27th, so you can keep him in prayer. He'll be sharing the word. But I wanted to keep you posted on what's going on with the efforts in Japan. Since I'm not there, Sean's going to lead us in a time of prayer. James is there, Sean is there, so he'll be leading our church in a time of prayer, praying for the devastation in Japan. And as you see on all the news stations, and they're in dire need of help and relief efforts. So we're going to be taking a special offering, not today, but next week while I'm there. We'll be taking an offering and we're going to be partnering with New Hope Tokyo and their sister churches and what they're going to be doing to help with the efforts in Japan. So you can pray about the money you're going to give for next week. Bring your checkbooks, you heard. Bring your cash because we're going to give to their efforts. And if he needs, because I've been in contact with him, but if he needs like a small team of people to go up, I'll be putting together a team to go and help with the relief efforts. But we're not going to know until I talk to him. He said he might tell me it's better that we just stay and just send the money. All right. So God bless you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. James, give him the word. Love you guys. Aloha.